We also wish to thank Jain sir, Sujata ma'am, who have started this school with few students, precisely 13 students, and now it has gone to more than 900. Our dream is to see this school growing to 15, 2000, 3000 students, and I'm sure that day will come when there will be many students. As sir has promised, we'll have a better place. Every year we'll be celebrating the Foundation Day or the Founders Day, but teachers and all the maushis here and aunties here, please remember it's a challenge for all of us. It's a challenge for all of us to keep upgrading, to take up the challenge. It's our responsibility to take the school forward. So on this day, let's all work hard together. Let's all pledge, all the teachers especially, that we will work together as a team. We will take the school forward. We will give the assurance to ma'am and sir. And more than that, teachers first be a mother and then be a guru. That is the only thing I would like to tell Mrs. Patil and your team. Wish you all the best and God bless you all.
Thank you.